25th one, write a NumPy program to remove specific elements from a NumPy array. Okay, so to remove some specific elements from a given array, I want to remove some index elements, first index, third index, fifth, some index elements I have to remove it. Okay, however, using delete function we can remove it, simple. Okay, check given array. So suppose if you take the index here 1 comma 3 comma 5 means 2 4 6 here. Okay, arrays are 0 indexed here. Okay, so 1 means this second element here. Okay, 3 means fourth element, 5 means sixth element here. Okay, so I want to delete this one. Okay, simple one, using delete function. The first parameter is the object here, means array object here. Second parameter is the index here. Okay, 1 comma 3 comma 5, so that you can delete here. Simple. Check the output here, 1 2 3. Okay, 2 4 6 is not there here. Okay, using delete function take first parameter is an object, second parameter is the index here, means what elements you want to delete it, right? So if you want, you can check the description here, return type and parameters and everything. Okay, so that's about the 25 exercise. Mostly we have seen here functions here. What are the main functions only? There are so many are there. So if you look into np dot, so many are there functions here. See, abs, subs, add. So okay, you can explore the different functions, different variables, methods also there. You can explore if you want it, everything. Okay, we only did some. Okay, some of them, and some more NumPy arrays exercise has given. So this another 15 exercises has given, solutions has given. Okay, so just practice this one. So some of the exercises is there in my Python program tutorial. If you want, you can go there and check it here. Okay, right, that's it, practice. Okay.